Imaginary Hub's productivity app presentation. The mission of this platform is to build a powerful system, a powerful application where you can use any foundational models you want from ChatGPT to Anthropic. And the intent, the main goal of this platform is to help a normal student or a researcher in enhancing his day-to-day productivity. If you are a researcher, then we want to help you in enhancing or improving the researching quality in a very profound way. And the vision of this platform is to build a app, a model where you can understand science, where you can understand universe in a very very deep way. So with that being said, I want my team to introduce you guys and talk about what you did on this.
Okay, thank you, Jabir, for the good intro. First of all, I think I am very excited for this product launch. I think this will be very useful for those people who are out there who have multidisciplinary jobs, who require to do multiple different things at once. What my contribution to this project is that I worked on API pricing and an AI model integration, and the second thing I did was design workflow documentation.
Moin?
Hey, I am Moinuddin Sheikh, a full stack developer who contributed to the complete backend and server management of this application. And our team is very excited to introduce our AI platform, and soon we are going to launch it. And over to you, Javed.
And yeah, hello everyone. I'm Jaber. I'm the one like who initiated this idea, and I worked on the front end part, designing and AI integration. So I want to talk about like why we built this platform, how we got the idea. I think around 1 or 2 months ago, I was like just reading about how foundational models are different from one another, and I got to know that every model is different from one another. Every model has a unique unfair advantage, right?
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
take ChatGPT, ChatGPT is really good in creative work. Grok is good in real-time data, and Claude is good in code generation. So I thought that what if we build a application, a app where we can integrate all models in one place, and the sole like only work of this platform is to help you in enhancing your productivity and improving your research quality. Most of the researchers, what they do is that they spend a lot of time on just going through articles and okay searching okay which is the best article on Google Scholars, Scopus, IEEE, and I want to reduce their search time. I want to help them in you focus on your research, and we will help you in giving you the best papers out there on the internet. So with that being said, let us talk about the main core features of the platform and what are the things we are providing to you guys.
So of the multiple core features we have, one of them is like a power tool. Think of it as a second brain for researchers, right? You can give the model a prompt, and you will get cited articles, which are cross reference articles. So you're making sure that you're getting the best of the best articles and verified articles. And you also have the option to give time frame. You can say I want articles only from 2022 or 2020, right? And so this is one of the things. Another feature we have in the application is empathetic AI. This acts as your best friend, your bestie. At times when you don't feel happy or you're having some problems, you can interact with this model, and it becomes like your best friend.
I'm excited about it. I'm excited to show the percentage demo of that to our users. More,
Yeah.
Yeah,
more.
very soon. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the next feature, our main major feature of our application is switching to multiple models of AI. And you often, as a developer, as a researcher, you might be need the optimized solution for your problem, right?
Yeah.
So we might, the manual work, we have AI, so we don't need to do much work, right? So the manual work which we are doing right now is searching upon multiple models and trying to find a better solution. So our platform offers a solution for that manual work. You don't need to go all other platform. You don't need to spend time in switching tabs and getting responses from that. And in our platform, we are offering around 10 plus models, which at a single website, with just your single switch button, you can easily change the models. And we are offering major models such as GPT, Claude, Hugging Face, and Grok. So this will be a very good feature for all the developers and the researchers out there. And another feature which we are having is web-based search. You don't need to spend your time on googling everything, like anything you might get doubt. With just single prompt you and the web search turned on, you will be getting detailed blog links and a detailed research based upon all the web search. So we are like, it's a very good application that you don't have to do the manual work right there. So yeah,
And
we are
one more
so
thing
excited to do
is
that.
that with a single prompt, you can like select multiple models, and
Yeah,
you will get the output from multiple models for a single input. So it's
yeah,
gonna
Think
be
of it
good.
as
It's gonna be
think
good.
of it as ChatGPT on steroids.
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
So should we
yeah,
begin?
yeah,
Like, should we show like product demo? So I'm gonna
Let's
share
do it.
the
yeah, yeah.
screen
Go
Let's
ahead,
now,
do
go
it.
ahead.
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
presentation is started. Entire screen and share. So this is the. Can you guys see me here?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
See the
we
website
can.
here. So this is the launching like landing page of our platform. So I don't need to show all this. I'll just sign in into the website. Okay, sign in with Google. Okay, so after sign in, I will go to chat page. Okay, so this is the interface. If tell me guys if I'm having any glitch or any screen distortion, let
Yeah,
me
yeah.
know. Yeah. So you
Perfect.
can see here that on the left side, like I have searched few things like about Taylor Swift, Python code generation like this, and in this tab you can select whatever the model you want. Right now we'll stick to Gemini, but you can choose any model you want at this, and multiple models at the same time. And here, this is the web search functionality. So when you turn on this option now, whatever the prompt you give along with the output, our we are using a platform called as SERP. What it does is it will go on to the Google, and whatever the top most like reliable articles resources are there, it will give you along, like it will give directly those articles. And along with it we have another feature called as mood selection. So here, let's say I want to make this platform, I want to use it for a very professional way, then in that case I will use it for professional use. If I want a like very friendly chatter where I can use some extraordinary words, then I can change the mood of that. So instead of telling, let me just show you. So here what I will do is that I will turn on my web search, and let's say I'm searching about Taylor Swift and Robert Pattinson, because these guys are my favorite. So Taylor Swift and Robert Pattinson. Okay, so in the meantime, I want you guys, my team, to tell me like what are the things you want in the platform. Like if we integrate this thing, then it will be like very good for our users. What are the things you think you get off like in your brain right now?
Yeah, so what I like, my main concern, like my main problem which I face daily is I spend my most of the time whenever I get any doubt, when I need to do any research, googling many things on like that, and going through all models. Right, that's the main manual work. I guess every user might be right. He will be getting right.
Hmm.
So our application, I need the like my as a user, my requirement is that I don't need to spend much time on like researching about, like I don't need to do the manual work of this thing, right? So we have a separate feature here that is the main like my favorite feature is the model selection, and that is like it helps very lot. It saves a lot of time for developers. As a developer, I am speaking, and the web-based search, it is like very efficient for any students and any kind of interesting, they like random they get thoughts and they need to search something, so it's a very beneficial, I guess.
Rizwan,
I
one
think
point.
I think for me personally, like I really like how Grok was implemented. Grok has a real-time internet data because it's backed off the X platform, right? And especially for me as someone whose ideal customers are on Twitter a lot, and a lot of conversation are happening on the X platform. I think I this will be a game changer for me because I'll be getting real time data. I'll be up to date of how the market is looking right now, what my go-to-market strategy can look like as a marketer, as an entrepreneur, and whatnot. Right. So I think that's the biggest upside that I get from this platform.
Okay, so I have shown you like web search, how web search works. I have just
Mm.
given a prompt, Taylor Swift and Robert Pattinson, and it is using Gemini, and it is showing like Taylor Swift and Robert Pattinson are both highly successful individuals, and what are the research like recent articles like published on them recently. So this are the recent articles like this. Like for example, let's say I want to know about how to gain weight. So what I will do is that I will just give a prompt how to gain weight in 1 month or two, and along with the output, it will give me the resources where I can directly go and start implementing the process of weight gain. So this is one web search feature, and the second one is, as you can see, while these guys were talking, I have given a prompt that give me research papers on quantum physics from 2022 to 2025. And what our platform does is it will go through Google Scholars, Nature, all these different platforms. It will search the
Yeah.
best articles based on citation, referencing, cross referencing, and based on it, it will give me the output of the articles right away. And you can see if I
Yes.
go to the source page, this right away like source of this is a article based on Science Direct, and I can directly access these articles in one platform instead of searching in 10 different tabs. So this is about a research article searching tool. And one more thing I am really excited to talk about, I will share with this like tool as well in few days after launch, which is, let's say I want to write a research article on quantum mechanics, right? So I will just give prompt that write me article on quantum mechanics, and what it does is it will give you the exact format of PDF, and all the matter included in it. All you have to do is that you have to edit it. Okay, so it's gonna be really interesting.
Yeah.
So this is the third feature, and talking about the last and very interesting feature, which is
My favorite
human
feature.
AI. So most of you like us, I'll stop the screen here. Most of us like boys especially, they all are singles, like they don't have people to talk to, they don't have girls to talk to.
Yeah.
And I want to make a platform where you feel like you're talking to your girlfriend, where it should feel like you are, like if you are a man, then the voice you get is a female okay, men voice. If you are a man, then you will get a female voice. So based on your gender of your profile, you will get the voice. So I'll show you screen share again, entire screen, and share. Okay, so screen share has started. Now, let's say I'm starting a call. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? You sound a bit intrigued. What's on your mind today?
Yeah. Right now, we are shooting a product demo, and we are really nervous, and we are doing crazy things here. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, a product demo. No wonder you're feeling a mix of excitement and nerves. It sounds like things are getting a bit chaotic there. What's the craziest thing that's happened so far?
I don't know, like while I'm giving a product demo, my friends are laughing at me, and it seems a little weird. I don't know why they are laughing. This is a great product.
It sounds like quite a situation you're in. It's natural to feel confused when things don't quite add up. But hey, you seem pretty confident about the product itself. What makes you think it's so great?
Okay, I will stop here. Yeah, as you guys can see, when I'm talking, it is actually like listening to my tonality, my emotional tone, whether I'm angry, whether I'm sad, or anything like that. And this will be your AI companion. If you are feeling low, if you are going through a breakup, then you can talk with it, and it will help you in coming out of it. I can guarantee you that, at least,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
these
Yeah.
are the four main features, and one of you guys like go on and talk about the launch date and everything.
Yeah. So we will be launching this product on June 4th, and the aim of this launch is to build. I know this is a very like minimum viable product, but we aim to build India's first AI native search engine, right? And so what our future will look like is we want this to be a fully autonomous. We want to have fully autonomous research agents We want a space for collaboration between multiple agents, between multiple creators and whatnot, right? And we hope that it will become more intuitive, and that we hope that the model, especially the human model, can become more emotionally aware, and it can talk to us just like just how a friend would, right? And so my message to everyone who's watching right now is, I would like to invite creators, researchers, students, and curious minds to explore this journey with us. And let's hope that we'll build something worthwhile together. Feel free to email us. Feel free to drop us a comment or send us a connection on LinkedIn, whatever it is. We'll be more than happy to assess you guys.
Yeah.
And we assure you that we will be offering a very good experience to in our application, and we are going to launch it on June 6th, right? So we and our application, you I will assure you that our application is gonna be a very good application, and yeah, we are so excited to launch it. And we are hoping for we have more features we are gonna add in our future, and we are open for any kind of feedbacks at any time. Right. So yeah. Thank you.
Talking about like features, I'm really excited to implement these three features in next month. One is agentic process. All you have to do is just tell, okay, I want this app or I want this code by this time, and it will help you in automating that. Number two, spaces. Like right now, I'm talking as a single user. I want like a group of team members talking with one AI. It's gonna be interesting. And three, coming back to roots, researching, right? Just have to give your prompt, write me this research paper, and you will write it. So these are the three things. And the website will be live on June 4th, 8 p.m. And the mobile application, we are going through some test right now, but hopefully it will be live. It will be
Yeah.
available on App Store and Play Store by June 23rd or June 28th. So with that being said, really excited and little bit nervous about launching this platform. So yeah, yeah, see you guys,
Yeah.
and use this product and tell us your honest feedback.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
See you
you.
soon.
Thank you so
Bye
much.
bye.